One of these days you steal my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
I bet I can pop all of these before you can like, follow, and share, and you better not pause the video because that's 100% cheating. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Who won?
Button do?
I don't know. Let's see.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs.
Wamide, berisi kam menisi ko meningking kong salanong kong king ngong ngong niชีวิต เธอ
I want it. I got it. 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 I want it. I want it. Simple Jimbo. Pop eat.
Stacking all of my poppets on top of each other. As you can see, I have a lot of poppets, so just for a size comparison, I'm going to be stacking them against the door. Let's get started. Big poppets first. That's what it looks like so far. Time for the rest of the poppets. Squares, circles, hearts, octagons. Oh gosh. I got it to balance. Now we're on to animals. Oh my gosh. Please don't fall. So I had to rearrange some of the poppets, but so far we have this. The smaller poppets are going at the top. Mini poppets. And lastly, oh my goodness. This is how tall it is. It's so wobbly.
TikTok is way better than Instagram. Instagram literally sucks. Instagram is way better than TikTok. Oh my gosh, is that TikTok over there? Hey TikTok, your app sucks. No, your app sucks. Nobody literally watches you, everybody watches me. Wanna bet? Let's do a challenge. Bet, whoever gets the most fidgets in 10 minutes wins. It's on. It's on. 3, 2, 1. Wait, actually, let me pause the timer. I bet you don't have a box. Yeah, of course I don't have a box. I have a pop-it bag. I can fit tons of fidgets in here, and it even pops. What does yours do? Ugh. Timer starts. A magical poppet. I'm so gonna win. Oh my goodness, guys, let's start wishing. I wish for a Peppa Pig poppet. I wish for a pink bird poppet. I wish for a dog poppet. I wish for a avocado dimple. Oh no, guys, I ran out of bubble pops. Let's try the other side. I'm probably just wrong. I wish for a poppet. I wish for a pop. No, guys, it's not charged. I need to go charge it. Okay, guys, let's start going. Oh my goodness, this is a magical poppet. But all the pops are already used. I need to go charge it. Oh my goodness, there it is. Now let's wait. There we go. Oh my goodness. Guys, let's start wishing. I wish for a sheep poppet. This is so cute. I wish for a bumblebee poppet. Love it. I wish for a Hello Kitty poppet. This is so cute. I wish for a pecan poppet. Oh my goodness. I wish for a blue polar bear. Oh my gosh. I wish for 3 tangles. Wow. I wish for 2 pull apart poppets. Oh my gosh, guys, these are so cool. That was so tiring, but the 10-minute timer is over. Let's head back to that spot where Instagram was. But first, let's put my fidgets all in here. Okay, they all fit. Guys, it's been like 5 minutes and Instagram is still not here. Oh no, guys, I still can't find a charger. I hear the timer and I better get going, but I still think I beat TikTok. TikTok probably only has like 2 fidgets. Oh my gosh, guys, there she is. I won. She lost. TikTok is way better. Don't ever try to challenge me again. Thanks for finding me some fidgets.
Squishy, 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 squishy.
If I say your best friend's name, you have to follow me and they have to buy you fidgets. Ella, Gabby, Marissa, Rachel, Allie, Gracie, Addison, Scarlett and Sienna, Reese, Emily, Ava, Sierra, Brooke, Tori, Maggie, Jaden, Layla, Lila, Jackie, Elijah, Annie, Aubrey, Natalie, Natala, Christina. This video was girls edition. If you want a boys edition, tell me in the comment section.
Oh my gosh, Suki, why do you have all of my fidgets out? Wait a minute, and why do you have my scissors? Did you want to open up the fidgets? Suki, absolutely not. That's such a waste. Fine. Okay, Suki, we'll start with this one. Here we go. I'm so scared. What the? It's like slime. Let's do another, Suki. Whoa! This is so weird. Okay, Suki, that's it. We're not opening anymore. Oh, don't give me that face. Okay, fine. We'll open up the rest of these fidgets if everybody likes and follows on this video. All right, is that a deal? Okay. Please tag me in part 2. All right, I guess we'll cut open the rest of these fidgets. All right, it's time. Wait. No. You guys have to like and follow like this person did. All right, you did it? Okay, fine. We'll open up the fidgets. Oh! Next up, the Orby ball. I'm so scared. Oh! Oh, guys, I'm so sad about these ones, but I guess we'll do it for you. Okay. Oh, ew. All right, you guys better like and follow because I really don't want to cut this one. But I'm doing it for you guys. This is so Wait, oh no!